this is your first time having Filipino food? Hey guys, meet my son and his girlfriend. My son invited me to have lunch with them. She is having Filipino food for her very first time, and he chose Gerry's Grill in Union City as the spot to take her. The cool thing about Gerry's Grill is that it is actually the same layout here in the Philippines and all their locations around the world. They are in their own little world. They've been together for almost a year now. So my son ordered all of our favorite dishes, which I'll show you in just a second, but my favorite is kare kare, so he ordered that. He wanted her to try the tilapia, and then we have the bulalo, which I think my dad makes the best. And then, of course, the lumpia and the crab fried rice. There's the bulalo and the kare kare. So this is her trying the shrimp paste. I told him to ease her into it, but he did not listen. This is shrimp paste. I actually love a shrimp paste with my kare kare, but I think it's an acquired taste, just like cilantro. So what did you think of the food?
It was good, but when Ethan put that sauce, it was nasty. But it was good.
Okay. You said one of them was similar to what?
To a Mexican dish we have. It's called caldo de res.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but we just put a lot more things on it, and we put lime and pasta.
Oh wow. Okay. Okay. Cool. Thanks. We'll have to try it next time. I should have had her try the halo halo. I don't know why I didn't think of that. My son's not a very sweets type of person, and neither am I, but maybe next time. And we finished it off with this beautiful hike up in the Oakland Hills. It's a really nice spot out here. Imagine waking up to this every morning. I definitely can. So thanks for having lunch with us, and I'll see you in the next video.